Like any customer experience team, we want our users to succeed. The more successful they are, the more we can improve retention and build a clear path toward broader adoption. And to do that, our CSMs are constantly teaching our customers how to get the most value out of our products. So we use Lucid to create learning maps. Here's what that looks like. Our customer education team creates a lot of resources: training courses, help center articles, blog posts, webinars, you name it. Instead of having all of these items dispersed in various places, the team brings them into Lucidspark and organizes them into learning maps. Everything is centrally located and easy to navigate. CSMs follow these paths, continually engaging customers with educational materials that are most relevant for where they are in their progress toward their objectives. Similarly, our professional services team has built numerous visual frameworks, including a visual framework to help customers drive innovation at their company. It's an interactive resource that points to more resources, and it really gets customers to lean in and take further action with our products to apply what they've learned to achieve their business objectives. From learning maps to visual frameworks, we use Lucid constantly to educate our customers and help them apply what they've learned. It's more systematic, more collaborative, and it's driving deeper, broader usage of our products, ultimately helping users derive more value from Lucid.